Your sample valve is a great tool and a great way to actually go test your water chemistry once the system's fired up. All you got to do is cut like an 8-inch piece of the 3/8 OD sample line tubing that comes with the actual controller itself. Put that right in that valve, open that valve up and test your water chemistry there. That's also how we test and make sure we have adequate water flow going through that sample vessel. All right, it's very important to make sure when you are installing a controller that your sample lines are installed in the correct location, because if they aren't, you're going to run into major problems down the road, nuisance issues, and you're probably going to want to rip that controller off the wall, or you're going to be calling your local Hayward rep to come out there, support it, and figure out what's going on. It's very important to make sure your influent line is directly after your filter, before any chemical injection point, any heater, any UV, any ozone. Cannot stress that enough. And then your effluent line will be directly on the suction side of your pump.